And heading towards the end of our agenda, there are two items that I have in parking lot that are more of starting to think about. And so we had a lot of snow days last year, and after yesterday, um, it's evident that perhaps we will have another um, big snow year. And so we wanted to start thinking about not assigning work or having you guys teach on red days, but having the culture in students that they're still responsible for, let's say, example, reading 30 minutes and maybe doing 30 minutes of MobyMax or Prodigy, which are two math programs. Or there's something in science that they could be working on, but, or in any of the subject areas, but they're required to keep their learning going, and not necessarily for the whole day, but for an hour or so. That's what our culture at our school is when we have a red day, that you keep learning. So here's an article of just what people down south in Texas that were affected with the hurricane, what teachers were doing. And again, I'm not saying having work that you have to grade, but just something where they're doing practice, and that learning doesn't stop because there's a red day. So anyway, the other thing is the high school wants us to look at report card comments because we share the same ones with them. And they pose the question, is there a way to change our report card comments so that they reflect more of a growth mindset? Because currently I think we only have 3 or 4 positive comments and the rest are either negative or needs improvement comments. So we'll pass those out. And again, this is just to begin the discussion, but they would like to get our feedback. So if we can record some feedback so that I can take it back to them, that would be awesome. All right, well, thanks, and that's it for me, and have a great weekend, and I will see you next week.